Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a porg. So porgs are these super duper cute little birds that don't have any beaks. They're from Star Wars, and I just think they are absolutely adorable. So let's start drawing them. They're also super easy to draw. Alright, so we can start with the porg's eyes. So they're just great big, adorable circles. So we're going to give them a little bit of space between each eye. We can do shape like this here up top as kind of a reflection of the light hitting it. And then we can color everything else dark. So we just have those two white spots up top. All right, and now just underneath and in the middle, we can do two little nostrils. And below that, he's got this really super duper sad face. He looks heartbreaking. So great big frown. And now I'm going to give him a little shape like this. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And now let's do the top of his head. So I'm going to come up and come on over. And we can come on down from here a little bit. And a little bit this way. And we can come on out this way a little bit. And this way too. And from right here, I can come on down and give him a bit of his belly here. And then come on up. And here we can come on down and come in towards his body and do the same over here. And I'm going to do a little line right here and one right here. And right here, I'm going to do a little shape like that. And I'm going to do a line right there and a line right there. Okay, so now I'm going to give him his two little feet. So one line and another line. And then we can come on out and give him like a little claw. And now another little one and another little one. And I'm going to color in those little claws all dark. Okay, so there's one foot and one line, another line, and I can come on over this way and do another little claw. Then come on over, another little claw, and over a little bit more, and another little claw, and color those in dark as well. Alrighty, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished our drawing of a cute little porg. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!